प्यार प्यार इश्क विश्क प्यार प्यार
सब तो सब मिसमैच
सब
होता है।
नहीं नहीं
लड़की पागल है पागल है पागल है पागल है पागल है पागल है पागल है
इश्क विश्क प्यार is about 1 2 3 That's it.
Presenting
Too
Mr.
iconic.
Spencer College, Rajiv Mathur. Hey, Rohit is coming closer, yaar. That is too good, yaar. That's the best trick in the book he has. Say,
हाय हाय होए होए
सबसे पहले तो प्लीज
अरे
प्लीज आशीर्वाद दे दो
दीदी
नहीं प्लीज आशीर्वाद दे दो मतलब
बात का
इतना समय हो गया ना इश्क विश्क हुआ है ना प्यार व्यार मतलब
ओह।
बताओ यार क्या करूं बताओ
You and I are on the same boat, buddy.
क्योंकि पहला इंटरव्यू है इश्क विश्क स्टार कास्ट के साथ तो गणपति बप्पा क्या बात है वेलकम टू ये लड़की पागल है
पागल है, पागल है, पागल है, पागल है।
रोहित नाइला ये लड़की पागल है थोड़ा एक्टिवेट कर लेती हूँ पागलबंदी एक्टिवेट कर दो बहुत पागलबंदी करनी है अब बताओ मुझे इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार तो सबने किया होगा लेकिन इश्क विश्क रिबाउंड हुआ है
मेरे साथ तो नहीं मेरे साथ तो नहीं
नहीं
आई
नहीं
डोंट
हुआ।
नो आई एम नॉट श्योर शायद हुआ हो मैंने तो नहीं किया लेकिन शायद सामने वाले ने
Saying someone rebounded on
हो सकता
which is not bad
हो सकता है यार
which is not bad
रोहित आपके साथ हुआ है
नहीं मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ अनफॉर्चुनेटली
आपके साथ तो सब मिसमैच
सब
होता है
नहीं नहीं
वेरी गुड वन बट गाइस पहले तो बताओ विश्क रिबाउंड क्या होता है ताकि मैं भी बताऊं मेरे साथ हुआ है कि नहीं
Basically, it's when you get out of a relationship with one person and quickly get into a relationship with another person. So you like bounce off the other person and go to another one.
इतनी जल्दी
Yeah.
होता है
ये तो मेरे कैमरा दादा रोल भी नहीं करते हैं बताओ
Nice.
मैं बता रही हूँ 90s किड के साथ वैसे ही होता है आपको कितना टाइम लगता है फ्रॉम वन
From one relationship to another. यार मतलब my last breakup was 2 years ago, 22nd of June 2022 when we were shooting Ishq Vishk. I remember.
Yes.
Yes.
We remember.
we know
So उस टाइम से फिर मैं तो अभी तक I'm single तो
कुंवारा।
इतना टाइम लग गया है मुझे.
काफी रिलेटेबल हो गया इसके साथ शूटिंग के बाद
हाँ बताओ.
I never thought about that.
it was method acting on his part
बट आई डोंट थिंक ओल्ड स्कूल वाले इतना जल्दी रिबाउंड करते
नहीं,
थे
I think maybe शायद ये होता था पर
हाँ, पहले
terms
से-
अभी आए हैं.
yeah
पहले
Gen Z
rebound
ने
नहीं होता
terms
था.
दे
पहले
दिया सबको.
basically ब्रेकअप के बाद सीधा तुरंत शादियां करवा
शादी
दी.
ये बात सही बोली है
चलो मैं अब जेंजी लिंगोस कुछ कुछ बोलूंगी आपको जो सबसे पहले बताएगा उसको पॉइंट बट बताना कैसे कि आपको एक साउंड क्रिएट करना होगा तो मुझे पता चलेगा कौन सी टीम पहले है
ठीक है.
बताने वाली आंसर
Let's set our sounds.
या सेटा सा
Give me a-
कोई भी कोई भी साउंड बनाना
Hi,
गाइस
hi.
No, wait, आजा.
हर टाइम
You're going to say आजा आजा like this, no?
बट हर टाइम आप
आजा,
चेंज कर सकते हो
Okay, we are आजा आजा guys.
What are y'all?
Tequila.
Tequila.
Tequila. इसको बोलते
Okay.
हैं प्रमोशन.
The first one is cap, no cap.
Tequila. It basically means like no. It basically means like the shit. Like this is the best. Like
This is the best.
yeah, like no cap. Like he's amazing. No cap. Like no conversation whatsoever. Period.
यार ये गूगल वाले गलत मीनिंग बताते हैं क्या?
इसमें क्या लिखा
इसमें
है?
that's a lie लिखा है, like lie.
Ooh, so that means we have to answer, bro.
No. आजा. It means that's a lie.
It means that's a lie. We get the point.
जवाब नहीं है 0-0 किसी
नहीं नहीं पूजा we get the
अरे, but we
point.
got the point.
That's a
मैंने
lie.
जवाब बोल दिया था ना.
No cap.
चलो next, no cap.
हमने सुना ही नहीं दिया.
चलो next one. दिलुलु.
जा.
Delusional.
नहीं we get it.
देखो मेरा मैथ्स खराब है कोई काउंट कर लो यार.
I'm keeping this close. Don't worry.
Okay, you're keeping this code. Next one is ghosting.
आजा.
When you
आजा,
when,
आजा,
when you just what?
When you disappear on someone.
I said it.
I tell you.
When you disappear on someone,
When
yeah,
you
she
disappear
got the
on
she gets the
someone,
point.
stop responding to messages, don't meet them, just like become a ghost.
किया है ऐसे घोस्ट बने हो कभी?
एक सेकंड. उनको क्यों मिलेगा ये पॉइंट? उन्होंने आजा आजा बोल के बेवे किया.
हाँ मतलब पश्मीना.
And then I said the answer.
It is
I
the
said the
person who
answer.
says the sound first.
1 second. I
wait.
gave the answer and then you're elaborating it. What is this? It's an exam.
No, but it is the person who beeps first. I
Okay,
beep
fine.
first.
Fine. ठीक है. I'll
So-
beep on
so we're
everything.
two.
चलो.
Team आजा wins.
2-0.
No one. 2-0.
To love.
टू लव, टू हार्ट्स,
हाँ।
बट घोस्टिंग की है, मतलब या आपको किसी ने घोस्ट किया है कभी?
I am guilty of it. मैंने किया है, but I've apologized also for it. I have ghosted.
You don't come across as someone who...
I did. I didn't know any better at that time, but I apologized profusely for it.
मैंने नहीं किया.
हाँ,
मैंने नहीं किया है, मेरे साथ भी नहीं हुआ है.
Extra points नहीं मिलेंगे तुमको.
नहीं किया.
Yeah.
Get my-
3 love.
For a pious answer.
प्यार मिलेगा,
True
प्यार.
love is
love.
true love is what
True
it is.
love. Okay. The next one is salty.
Tequila.
Tequila.
अरे आजा.
I said already. Salty
but we weren't
is salty
It's
is
like-
sorry for the line, but like salty is being bitchy.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah. और कोई बात नहीं. Bob.
आजा आजा.
आ जाओ.
It's a beat that I love.
Oh, perfect.
What did you say?
What was the word? Bob.
This is a bop. Like
Oh, shit.
Ishq
Yeah.
Vishk Pyar Vyar is a bop.
God, she's
Really
good.
new
I should
track.
have Pash's team.
Aja Aja is winning. For love.
Let's
For
see.
love, nobody. I got the third one.
Yeah,
3-1.
So
3-1.
3-1.
Okay, the next one is Sim.
Tequila. I'm simping for them. Like I can't stop rooting for them.
Okay, the next one is snack.
Tequila.
Aja Aja.
I said tequila.
Oh shit.
Snack
Bye-bye.
is basically you're looking like a snack. Like you look amazing.
Amazing.
Like, 3-all. Chalo, chalo.
Okay.
Come on.
Thirsty.
Aja
Aja, aja, aja.
Aja Aja.
I said tequila.
It was us. It was us.
दोनों तरफ से हुआ तो टाई है, तो आपको अभी मेरे 1 2 3 कहने पे एक ऐसा साउंड बनाना है जो पहले कोई बनाए. 1 2 3.
You were.
ये क्या बात हुई?
We won it.
We won. So Pashmina will answer what's
No, 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 no.
It's still a tie.
You answer.
It's still a tie.
You answer.
I'm thirsty for you. I'm thirsty for you means like I want you. Like I
He's
can't.
winning the point, yeah. See how close he is to
I
you.
last after you. Back.
रोहित ये
Yeah.
सब
Yeah, I said
कैमरा पे
it.
मत
Hey,
बोलो यार.
Rohit is coming ahead and saying this.
I'm not.
Rohit is coming ahead and saying this. This is not allowed.
4-3.
यार
4-3.
मैं यहाँ पे
No.
Chalo, 4-3.
You also go closer to her. You also go.
Come.
I just touched her thigh.
I just touched her. Die.
क्या पागलपंती हो रही है?
पागल है, पागल है.
Benching.
Tequila.
अच्छा.
Hear the word?
अरे उसको बोलने तो दो.
अच्छा.
Benching is keeping one reserve.
Yeah, when you have like options on the bench, like the roster.
Yeah, we get that.
इसने बता दिया, ठीक है? क्या स्कोर क्या है?
5.
4-all.
Five,
Five.
4.
भैया
Guys-
मैं काउंट कर रही हूँ.
Guys, 1 second.
You casually.
You can go through it, and it's 4-all. Don't cheat, you
So
guys.
competitive.
I am very competitive.
So competitive.
It's 4-all.
Okay,
Come on.
next. Red Campbell.
आजा,
Tequila.
आजा,
Yes.
आजा.
Yes.
I said it.
No,
I
no,
said
1
it.
second.
मुझे लगा गाना
You
गा
said
रहे
it.
हैं.
He said
He's
it.
saying
he
what
said
does it mean
He
now?
said it first.
I have
No,
no
I
idea.
know,
You know?
जो
You were
पहले
louder.
बताएगा 1
I
2
think
3
Rohit
minutes.
was-
When 1 2 3 minutes.
When you're breadcrumbing someone, when basically you give a compliment and then you move away.
No,
and
no,
then
no.
you
When
can
you're
give
in
a
a
compliment.
relationship and you
Point.
don't want to be in the relationship anymore, so
You're
you start
basically
like
giving them attention,
less,
but then
less,
you-
less
no,
attention.
no, no, no,
and
no,
then,
that's not what breadcrumbing
and then you
means.
want to
Chaos.
like taper
You're
off.
wrong,
मैं
you're
पढ़
wrong,
लेती
you're wrong,
हूँ,
buddy.
वो मैं
Chaos.
पढ़ लेती हूँ क्या है?
हाँ.
Whether
Chaos.
intentional or not, ये आधा अधूरा लेके पागल ही होता
No, no.
My
Breadcrumbing
drama, what is
means
it?
when
It's
you're
when you're
basically
in a
giving them attention,
relationship.
but just not enough. And you're basically.
But
what
first
is
you love bomb them. After love bombing only you can.
What are
get
these
enough.
words
Love
that she's
bombing?
using?
No, correct.
like that.
It's that's what it means. It's
How?
not. You're not.
Basically, you're stringing the person along. This
Yes,
is the correct
but
thing.
you're
so I
not-
get the
मैं
point.
दोनों को points दे रही हूँ guys.
Okay, fine.
दोनों को points दे रही हूँ. It's okay. दोनों को.
That's
2
wrong,
hearts.
boy.
But we both said the same thing, na? It's
No.
दोनों के
Tequila. Tequila.
Five,
Guys,
5 all.
2 hearts.
5
2
all.
hearts. मैं दोनों को hearts दे रही हूँ.
Okay,
Five
all
all.
right.
The
Okay.
next one is खत्म हो गया.
खत्म.
पूछना
All right.
I
Okay.
was so ready to say
Tiebreaker.
टाई ब्रेकर मैं काफी इजी दे रही हूँ तो फटाफट बोलना है तो वो विनर.
Hey, Rohit is coming closer, यार. That is
yeah.
too good, यार.
Say.
That's the best trick in the book he has.
Say.
यार रोहित मत करिए.
अरे
वो she'll become pink.
ये लड़की पागल है तू ये.
चलो.
See her t-shirt color and see her cheeks. It's the same. It's the same.
Okay,
She's
guys.
back. She's back.
I'm back.
Come on, Pooh.
1 2 3 wild pH.
आजा आजा.
बोल.
पहले
बोल.
White
wild
BH.
pH.
Sorry.
Wild
YLPH.
YL. You only live.
नहीं आएगा यार.
YL.
ये पॉइंट मुझे भी.
You.
ये लड़की पागल है, 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 पागल है.
Nice, I wouldn't have got that.
I'm
Good job.
impressed, Jibran.
Good job.
मेरे शो का नाम था.
अरे ऐसे random googly पे को.
जिब्रान.
I love you too, babes.
Nice, nice.
Well,
That's a fair win.
what was the strangest thing that you did on the set?
Strangest.
Strangest thing that we did on set.
Scratched each other's backs.
What?
Joking, I'm thinking, guys.
कुछ भी नहीं.
I ran behind a bus for an entire night. That is what I had to do. There's this one scene.
Yeah.
I was too happy.
That
I
too
was
in a.
Yeah.
Can I
She's
say
like,
that?
I was too happy. I was sitting inside the bus. But she was basically sitting inside and I had to run behind it.
And he was in some heavy loaded
Yeah, it was
costume.
a
Yeah,
hectic thing. And we were shooting in the dead heat of the Dehradun in June. This is just pre-monsoon, so the humidity was a lot and it was really hot. And I had to wear this bodysuit almost of a sort with like a cape and wig and like a hat and all. And it was basically the Vendetta outfit. So yeah, that was the strangest thing I had to do, run behind the bus. For an entire night, I would like to say.
Gibran has something to say.
Gibran, go ahead.
I had to wear something on my head.
Oh God, yeah.
That was for me. That was the strangest thing, and it was quite hot. So I had to wear a wig in a couple of scenes because there was back and forth.
Correct.
So yeah, that
We're basically not shooting linear. We
Yeah.
were shooting
In a-
non-linear.
yeah.
Because of which he had to actually get a haircut.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then-
My God.
Yeah, it was
and
quite
the
a
rest is
nice. मजा आएगा आप लोग को देख के
Yeah,
मतलब
wait,
मजा
I
तो
am
आएगा.
super excited, guys.
What was funny was one day we were shooting by this water body,
Okay.
and there was this big bus that they had organized that, and we had to shoot in the bus, and that bus has fallen into the water.
Oh dear.
And to take it out and everything was just a whole. It was chaos.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So I think that was like one of the most.
The date it rained.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Something
So-
like that.
So it
Yeah.
rained all night, and that bus, which was stationed by the water body, was in the water body in the morning.
Yeah, and like all our
Costumes
costumes,
and all were
the
there.
props,
Yeah.
everything
Everything was
had
separate.
submerged under water, and it was.
Yeah, so
it
ये
was a
भी
very-
challenges होते हैं.
Yeah,
Like unexpected. We just woke up and we got to know.
We reached set and we're waiting for costume, and they said, "Sorry, costume's gonna take a
Costume.
while because everything's underwater."
Underwater.
We're like, okay.
They didn't dry our costume.
Facts.
Literally
Sad for
मतलब
the
हम जब
costume.
टीजर देखते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है क्या वाइब्रेंट है, कितना मतलब कॉस्ट्यूम्स इतने अच्छे हैं, बट
नहीं।
बिहाइंड द सीन्स बहुत चैलेंजिंग
बहुत
होता है
मेहनत है,
guys,
बहुत
बहुत
मेहनत,
चैलेंजिंग
बहुत,
होता है. So claps.
Our teams, all our teams.
Okay, guys, this next segment आपके मूवी का टैगलाइन है होल्ड ऑन और मूव ऑन, वही है ना?
Yeah.
तो मैं कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स या क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी आपसे.
We'll say whether we'll hold on or we'll move.
Yeah.
Okay.
तो what if your partner cheats on you?
Move on.
Move on.
Go very fast. Move on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, the next one is, would you keep kissing if your partner has a smelly breath?
What the?
I mean, it's your partner.
Onion खा के आया हो.
No, I wouldn't. Sorry.
I don't know.
I'll also go eat an onion and come back and kiss.
Yeah, tit for tat.
Yeah.
You too wouldn't, huh?
No, like I wouldn't want to stop kissing, so I'll not want to make her awkward also. So I'll also go eat an onion and come back. Be like,
Interesting idea.
same.
Good lord.
Tasmeena, hold on, move on.
I don't know. I guess. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on, yeah.
I mean, they're your partner, right? If it's like a stranger, then that's a whole different thing. But if it's a partner, then it's a.
Go and ask them to brush.
Yeah.
If it's a partner, then I'll hold on. Not.
Okay, the last one is, what if you fall in love with your best friend?
Hold on.
Oh, hold on.
I think
for
that's the
sure.
best feeling.
I think that would be a tight
यार
hold
दोस्ती
on.
है.
Yeah.
प्यार दोस्ती है. Amazing.
Yeah.
मैंने ना इंटरव्यू से पहले जिब्रान को एक बात बोली थी, वो ऑन कैमरा पे बोलना चाहती हूँ कि त्रिची में जिब्रान को देखा था, काफ़ी क्यूट, मतलब काफ़ी क्यूट, एंड अभी भी इतना क्यूट. ट्रांजिशन हुआ है कि नहीं?
क्वेश्चन क्या था? Sorry. Of course.
Transition तो है ना, अभी देखो
transition,
बॉडी कितनी अच्छी बना ली है इसने.
He's become the macho
मेहनत
man.
कर रहा हूँ to break out of that image, and so that you'll also see this new
Right.
side to me.
Correct.
So
You also got blessings from Karan Johar.
yes, he was kind enough to share our story and like put out something, and that was really kind of him. He didn't need to. So वो बहुत अच्छा लगा. It was a feel good moment, and I hope I can make him proud also, because he's been such an important person in my life.
Correct.
So yeah, I hope so that works out.
I want to see how Shah Rukh Khan reacts to
Wow,
the teaser.
That would be so cool.
That would be,
That would be
I think, an epic thing for all four of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Do you remember anything set पे क्या हुआ?
yeah, of course, वो सबसे बेहतरीन इंसान है. I think anyone who's worked with him वो आपको बहुत important feel करा देते हैं. And I think me and his children were almost around the same age. So he treated me like one of his kids, you know. And even coming back to her brother, Ritik, I remember he used to go for his workouts. We all lived in the same hotel, and I was so mesmerized by him because I think Kahuna Pyare just आई थी, and guys, I had a poster of him in my what?
all had.
Like I think like everyone else I did. So I remember we used to shoot, and he used to go to workout. Guys, he had his discipline, and I used to run with him, and I used to just sit. I should not do anything. I should just watch him work out, and he was one of the kindest people, and so was Shahrukh. Yeah, like it was just one of the best experiences of my life, and it still stays with me. So that says a lot.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Pashmina, you have to add on to Ritik.
Yes, of course. Sorry.
He also wished you all the best and all. So much love.
He's incredible. I love him to bits. And I'm so lucky to have him as my brother, as my mentor, as everything. But like, I love him. He's the most incredible human being.
Thank you. नाइला, आपको किस तरीके के reactions मिले हैं teaser देखने के बाद? Your friends, family, how have they reacted to it?
It's almost, it's hard to believe that, you know, I'm not from the industry. So from an outside perspective, the fact that I'm in this world itself is such a exciting thing, you know. So I think the love has been great, but I think everyone now is humming to Ishq Vishk Pyar Vyar.
Absolutely. Rohit, everyone wants to know how mostly Saint Prajakta has reacted to the teaser because her way of expressing love towards it is very different.
Yeah, no, she's been incredible about it. Of course, she's actually been a part of this entire journey of Ishq Vishk with me for a really long time because, you know, even after I shot for it, I went back for another season with her. There are a lot of like BTS stuff that I've shown to her because we do share a lot together.
Right.
And I've obviously shared some of the, you know, BTS stuff with her. And she's it's not just about this one, but in general, she's nothing but supportive. She's nothing but lovable. And I think what I really like is that I consider myself as one of her biggest cheerleaders. I think what she does in her life, in her career is absolutely incredible, and I'm actually really grateful for the fact that she reciprocates that for me because the kind of confidence it gives me is really quite impeccable. So yeah, she's been nothing but kind, and yeah, it's been really special.
Absolutely, and I'm super excited. However, मैं बैठ के थोड़ा सा कमर दर्द हो गई, उम्र हो गई है, थोड़ा सा स्टैंडिंग में कुछ करें. End of this episode मुझे इश्क विश्क हो रहा है और प्यार व्यार भी हो रहा है. अरे फाइनली यार आशीर्वाद अच्छे मिले हैं मुझे.
People are going to take offense.
She's taking Ashirwad.
Ashirwad.
You know, Gen Z.
We all should take Ashirwad. We all should take Ashirwad for our film. Come
Yeah.
on. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. But इश्क विश्क की जब बातें होती है 2003 में इश्क विश्क रिलीज हुई थी. रिकॉल मेमोरी इतनी ज़्यादा है कि अमृता, शाहिद कपूर, आपने वो फिल्म देखी है? आप ओरिजिनल कास्ट से आप मिले हो?
ओरिजिनल कास्ट से मिले नहीं है, बट वो फिल्म देखी है और we're all huge fans of that film. I loved watching that film massively.
कोई डायलॉग याद है?
Can't touch it.
Presenting
Too
Mr.
iconic.
Spencer College, Rajiv Mathur. That's me. All muscular.
Thank you so much guys for so
Thank
much
you so much.
Thank you. काफी मजा आया. And before I sign off, ये मुझे hook step सिखाने वाला है जो मैं अभी
100%.
डांस करने वाली हूँ.
Yo.
But do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Hot to Fly. Yay! Thank you.
And watch Ishq Vishk Rebound 21st of June
21st
in
of June.
theaters near you.
And far away.
Yay! Good vibes guys.
इश्क विश्क प्यार प्यार